In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off do not disturb on your Samsung and provide two different way. Simply go to your control center, press on, showing it to do not disturb option. Easily turn on, just press on and showing it to two different way if you want to customize any time range. Okay, or select to until I turn it off. Press on to turn on. If you don't get this option in my control center, press on settings, notification, showing it to do not disturb. Easily turn on or turn off and customize from here. So that's it.